Is it time to buy or sell TQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of August in the year 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.55. Now, let's explore the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 0.62% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.31% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 30% to positive 11.5%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant change of approximately 77% over the next year, with potential returns between 36% and 123%. This corresponds to a price range of around $96 to $158 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for TQQ ETF after losing approximately 0.617%. The TQQ ETF price fell by about 0.617% on the last day, Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024, decreasing from $71.30 to $70.86. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.81%, with a low of $70.09 and a high of $72.06. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by approximately 28.93% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 2 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may signal an early warning, and the risk is expected to increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 48 million shares were bought and sold for around $3.41 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $85.20, while the lowest price was $30.47. Currently, the price is 16.83% or $14.34 below the 52-week high, and 62.88% or $120.02 below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Investors are closely monitoring TQQQ amid shifting market dynamics. Recent turbulence, including geopolitical tensions and central bank interest rate policy divergence, has created an environment ripe for increased exchange-traded fund securities lending activity. This reflects growing uncertainty in the market, which could fuel demand for TQQQ and similar leveraged exchange-traded funds as traders seek to hedge against volatility. In the short term, recent reports indicate that investors betting on a technology stock rebound have faced setbacks, compounding the risks associated with TQQQ during periods of sell-off. These swift swings in investor sentiment underscore the inherent volatility of leveraged exchange-traded funds, which can lead to rapid price fluctuations. While TQQQ may provide impressive returns when trends are favorable, investors must remain cautious of the decay and risks that accompany leveraged trading, especially if they hold these assets beyond short time horizons. Long-term perspectives suggest that while investing in leveraged products like TQQQ can yield substantial gains if the market trends upward, the risks of beta slippage and potential long-term value erosion remain significant concerns. Overall, the current landscape, influenced by market volatility and underlying economic metrics, suggests that savvy traders will need to navigate carefully to capitalize on TQQQ's potential, weighing short-term fluctuations against longer-term performance metrics. Factors such as investor psychology and market conditions will ultimately shape TQQQ's trajectory in the near future. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support may be found at levels of $66.53 and $69.51. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, and thus far, it has dropped by approximately 0.617%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is identified. Notably, volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 33 days ago. The short-term moving average has a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also has a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 5 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $63.36 and $58.74. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may then decline to the next support level. In this case, TQQ finds support just below today's level at $63.36. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $58.74 and $53.62. This ETF may experience significant movement during the day, indicating a high level of volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be of high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.97 between its high and low, which translates to 2.81%. Over the course of the last week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 3.89%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQ is at $73.04. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $63.36. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $68.69, reflecting a decrease of 3.06%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which translates to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing promise. Even though the ETF is currently in a declining trend, we believe that this level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform favorably in the near future. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of August, we anticipate that TQQQ will open higher by approximately 14 cents, starting at $71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.